Hi, this is Ethan Whitrock with Instructional Technology, and I'm just going to quickly show the dictate function as it is in Microsoft Word for PC or for Mac. I'm on a Mac computer, but both options should have a dictate function as long as you're using the desktop application. You can click the down arrow to make sure that you're selecting the language, and then from there you can click dictate. For the purpose of this specific demonstration, I'm going to use a recording that I have on my iPhone. So I'm going to hit enter twice and then I'll start playing the recording.
When I set out on the long excursion that finally led to California, I wandered afoot and alone from Indiana to the Gulf of Mexico with a plant press on my back and holding a generally southward course like the birds when they are going from summer to winter.
Then I turned off the dictate option, but as you see here, the recording here from the book that was just being read is for the most part pretty accurate. There's going to be little punctuation issues and potentially a couple of misinterpretations, but you can always proofread your content after the fact and make sure that it matches up with your recording or with what your intended voiceover or script was meant to be. This is a great option for people who are trying to create a transcript from an audio recording without having to go through a third-party system or service offering. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I can go over some of the basics of using this option. Thank you.